Okay, the center stand on the green bike, green goddess, is good. I was just getting ready to move it over and park it over here next to my bike and thought I'd start it just for the heck of it. And I didn't videotape the start, sorry, but one stroke, two strokes, and it fired right up. And there she sits, idling very nicely. Oh, it's a pretty bike and it sounds really good. Can't beat that with a stick. So I'm going to put this one over here. I'm going to take the yellow bike and put it on the lift facing out. The client wants me to look at the front end, see if it's, I don't know, loose or rattly or front brake. We're just going to check out the front end while waiting to receive the new clutch plates. So it'll give me something to do today.